To work with your own fonts, open up the edit canvas of an image. Up here you'll see the font manager area, and you've got the all fonts list and you've got the upload. If you click on the upload tab, then we can upload our own font to the system. Here we go. I'll upload this one, Ramona Bold. Click the confirm that you've got the usage rights and then confirm the upload. I'll upload the other version of the font now, the light version. Same process, just click confirm, and there you go. You can see they've been grouped together, and we get the light and the bold under the Ramona drop down. So let me just change this area of text to, let's make it Ramona Bold and light, see how it looks. Okay, there you go. If you want to delete any fonts, then again, click on the upload area and you can use the bin icon next to the font. Just click delete. There you go. Back in the font manager area, you'll see that my fonts are always displayed at the top, so that this area at the top will always be the fonts that you've installed yourself, and then the system fonts will be further down the page. That's all for now. If you've got any questions, let me know. Thanks.